Yo, greetings to you all. I go by the name of Kutono Mukwena. Welcome to Big Ed Kitchen Garden, guys. On this new video, we're going to be making our drip irrigation system, guys. This is the part 3 of the video, guys. If you want to check the other parts, you can go through the description below and watch the videos. So on this video, we're going to be using our 2-liter bottle, and we will be using our 2 Y-shaped sticks, as you can see for yourself. 2 Y-shaped sticks. So these sticks are going to be our pillar. So since well they're going to be our pillar, we need to make sure that they support our bottle. So they are going to be something like this. So first things first, guys, what we are going to do right now is to make sure that we prepare our bottle first. Now first things first that we have to do is to cut a hole on our bottle. The hole that we are going to cut on our bottle is to pour water inside the bottle. So let's get to it. Okay guys, depending on the type of bottle that you're using, you can use any size that you want as long as it will work for you. So this is the type of hole that I prefer, and I will not remove this side because I need to open and close anytime I feel that I have used it. So the second part that we are going to do right now, guys, is to put our pillar sticks. So what you have to do, guys, is to make sure that your pillar sticks do not go deep inside your soil, because we want the irrigation system to be floating on the air. So for me, I am going to do like this. So right now I am going to put my bottle on top like this. As you can see, guys, very simple and very easy. So right now what we have to do is to make a small hole where our water will be dripping from. So let's get to it. Now your hole has to be opposite from this hole. So the opposite of this hole is somewhere here. So what we have to do is not make a big hole, because if we make a big hole, our system will not be dripping. So we need a small hole. Something like this. I don't know if you can see it. Like this. Okay, so we are going to put our bottle here and make sure that it is in alignment, because we don't want to be away from the other pillar. So something like this. So right now we are going to pour our water inside our drip irrigation system, and then we will see the results. As you can see for yourself guys, it is working 100% correct. So very simple and very easy guys.